Overall, the Fluke 1587FC is a fairly skookum multimeter. Problem is, depending on the kind of work you do, the probes may be a bit of a sticking point in terms of utility for the work you're doing. Specifically because they have these banana spring probe ends, they won't fit in a lot of receptacles. Obvious one being the NEMA 515 on this kilowatt, but 520, 615, 620, and admittedly rare in fixed wiring nowadays, but the NEMA 115 ungrounded receptacles, because the blades on those are fairly narrow and those probes won't fit. Not bashing the quality of the probes, it's just their design. So the solution to that is get some of these. These are Fluke TL175 test leads. And a very nice feature with these is the probe guards retract into the handle by just simply turning the finger guard. So that means that you're much less likely to, you're not going to have those, and not even much less likely, you're not going to have these sawed off on you. And then what you can do is you can leave the factory leads that the meter comes with these big clips for things like insulation testing. Because since this thing can spit out, 1,000 volts, you may not necessarily want to be touching the device under test. So, quite simple and yet very useful upgrade to one of these.